In this video, we will learn how to insert PPT in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. Just select the cell, click on the Insert tab, click on the text. Here you can see the object option, click on that. Here you see the two options, Create New and Create From File. Just click on the Create From File because I already have a PPT. So click on the Browse, click on the Your PPT and insert it. Here you can click on the display as icon, the PPT icon here show. If you want to change the icon, just click on the change icon. Here you can select the icon and here rename your PPT name. So I just rename PPT name and click on OK. Click on OK. That's it. Here you can see your PPT inserted. If you want to open it, just double click on it. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.